This is Academic and Career Planning for the 2021 school year. This week, we will help you select your courses for the upcoming academic year. Today, you will receive your course request worksheet in homeroom, and we will go over how to make your selections and your resources available to you. You will have 1 week to make your course selections, and by Monday, January 13th, your course request sheet will be collected and reviewed for accuracy. On January 27th, your course request worksheet will be returned to you, and you will finalize your course selections by entering them into the Infinite Campus system. Let's get started.
To graduate from the Appleton Area School District, students must complete a minimum of 23 credits in specific curricular areas, including 4 credits of English, with 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade selections, 3 credits of mathematics, 3 credits of science, including 1 credit of physical science, 1 credit of life science, and 1 credit of science elective, 3 credits of social studies, including civics, world or global history, and U.S. history, 1.5 credits of physical education, a semester of health, 1.0 credits of any fine art, and a semester or 0.5 credits of personal financial management or intro to economics. The remaining 6.5 credits are elective credits and can be customized based on your individual academic and career goals.
To assist students in the course planning process, the Appleton Area School District has provided a course and career planning guide. The first page on the guide is about graduation requirements. Later in this presentation, we will go over how to do a credit check, but here are the graduation requirements in total, which equal 23 credits. The next section is the 4-year course planning worksheet. This worksheet is designed to help students plan out their 4 years here at Appleton North High School. We also have included a section about post-high school planning. If you have questions about what admission requirements you'll need to fulfill for college, you can go to this page or go to your Zello account or go to the UW Help website. We've also included a section in here called Additional Course Opportunities. If you go to the Appleton Area School District website, there's an additional link there that includes information about dual credit, youth apprenticeship, CT internship, Start College Now, and or early college credit program. A very important page in this is the career cluster page. Each of our course sections are divided into career clusters. On the top right-hand side of the page will identify the career cluster of interest. If you forgot which career cluster of interest is for you, you can go back and review your Matchmaker results that you took in the fall. On the next section is the course guide and numbers. If you were interested in a particular course, you can select it. For example, if I wanted more information on Intro to Computer Science, I would click that link. On the top right-hand side, you can see already that the cluster information, it's IT and STEM. The first course that is listed, the number is 9340, and the name of the course is Intro to Computer Science. Following that is a brief description about the class and what you would do when you take this class. And following that is the level, what grade you need to have attained to be in this class. In addition is the credit total and if there is a prerequisite. In this particular class, there is no prerequisite, but if you look at the next class, 9440 AP Computer Science Principles, you see the prerequisite listed is 9340 Intro to Computer Science. The guide is laid out like this. You can either go back to the page or scroll through it, or you can click on the bottom right corner and it will bring you back to this linked page. This course guide is located on your ClassLink account, or you can go to the Appleton Area School District website under Teaching and Learning and find it under Course Planning.
The first step in the academic and career planning process is to understand how the credits you earn each semester apply to graduation requirements, as well as how they apply to higher education opportunities. To assist you in this task, we will be completing a graphic organizer called the Credit Tracker. To complete the Credit Tracker, you will need to access your transcript in your Student Infinite Campus account or your course planner in Zello. Once you have reviewed these resources, you may begin to complete the Credit Tracker by checking off all the credits you have completed in the appropriate boxes. This is a sample of a completed credit tracker evaluation for a current 10th grade student. The student has checked off all completed credits. If you wish, you may circle the credits you are currently taking this school year. After you've completed your credit assessment, you will have a clearer picture of your progress towards graduation. You may also begin to assess your progress for admission to higher education opportunities. On the right-hand side of your screen are the general UW system and Fox Valley Technical College guidelines for college readiness. If you would like more specific information about college readiness for a particular college, please ask your counselor for more information.
The junior course request sheet for 2020-21 is yellow. We ask that students first put their first and last name in the middle column where it is identified for the student name. Then we ask students to proceed to the far left column labeled Graduation Required Core Courses. We ask that students look carefully on each of the choices in ELA, Social Studies, Science, and Math, and make sure they choose the appropriate course choice. Some students will choose also a PE class and perhaps a personal financial management class to fulfill the financial literacy requirement. Students should then total up the number of graduation required classes that they are requesting for the next school year. Next, students should go to the elective classes column and select the elective courses that could include any music class, world language, CTE classes, and put the appropriate credit total for the class. Finally, we ask that students count up the number of credits carefully. Students are required to have a minimum of 6 credits, which means you will have privilege and/or study hall either of semester 1 or semester 2. If a student is associated with any charter schools, please indicate which charter school you are attending or intending to apply to. Then we ask students to indicate any courses that they intend to take online, noting that any course written down on this form is just notification. Students will still be required to go to the eSchool website in August to officially sign up for the course. Finally, students are asked to put an alternate course for their PE choice and an elective alternative class. The last thing students should be aware of is that this form requires a parent confirmation signature as well as a homeroom advisor confirmation, and some of you may require a case manager confirmation. All these signatures must be obtained before it can be turned in. The final course request worksheet should be completed fully by Monday, January 13th.